Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you all the new bags from Milan Fashion Week Spring Summer 2026. We are going to feature new design bags from Fendi, Moschino, and Prada. So hope you enjoy our episode for today. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramirify2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, I'm so excited to be sharing to you the new bags at Milan Fashion Week Spring Summer 2026. So first guys, let us discuss the notable bags at Fendi Runway. So first guys, we are going to discuss most of the Fendi baguettes. And most of the Fendi baguette that walk the runway are the classic beaded Fendi baguette. And of course, we are going to see that the theme of the collection are like flowers. That is why we are going to see flower beaded detail, and this is another Fendi baguette. So I'm not really sure of the name of this one, guys. Can you comment down below? But it is like the softer version of the Fendi baguette, wherein it has a drawstring on both sides, and we could see that the material of this Fendi baguette is like a fabric material, like for sweater, and of course it would come with calfskin leather trims, and of course I love the colorway of this one. Next on the Fendi collection, so another Fendi beaded baguette, and this time how beautiful the beaded baguette or the beads of the this baguette, because it comes in the flower bead motif, as you can see. So I'm going to zoom in, and as you're going to see, the flower beads are much bigger. So I'm guessing how fun it would be. For example, the beads you could fully detach from the bag so that you would have a 2-in-1 Fendi baguette. How cool that would be. Then of course another beaded Fendi baguette, and this one I really love because of course the color of the background or the beads is black, and the flower beaded detail is in bright like turquoise, bright orange colorway, which looks like a coral in my opinion. What do you think? And of course this Fendi beaded baguette comes with fully detachable top handle, and of course it would come with a longer strap so you could carry as a shoulder and crossbody. So we have another one, a new style. I believe this is from their archives, and this is a Fendi pochette baguette. So the main material of this one is calfskin leather, and it comes with flower charms made of beads, of course. So this one would be perfect for parties, would be perfect for evening events. But of course, for me, definitely I would be choosing the classic Fendi baguette because I'm in the stage right now where I want bags that are bigger so that I could use it for the entire day. Then this one, so we have a 2 bag. So the one at the back I'm seeing right now is a Fendi spy bag, and this one that we are focusing is another Fendi soft baguette in this very beautiful Barbie pink colorway. So we are going to see the material of this one is like the sweater fabric with calfskin leather trims. Next on the Fendi baguette collection, so we have another beaded Fendi baguette. This time this would be a fan favorite because of the colorway. As you can see, it is white. Then of course the flowers now are made of paillettes or sequins. How gorgeous this one. Actually guys, I have this bag in my collection. I have a vintage Fendi beaded baguette in this material like rice beads, but of course mine doesn't have the flower. Next on the collection, so let us discuss now the Fendi peekaboo that walk the runway. So at first glance, we are going to notice that the peekaboos that walk the runway would look very minimalist, would look very classic. But once you open the interior, this is where we are going to see the design, because the inside part of the Fendi peekaboo is made with sequins and beads. So I'm just guessing, would it be both sides of the Fendi beaded would the Fendi peekaboo would have the beaded material? Because I'm guessing guys, if for example the entire interior of the Fendi peekaboo would have the sequins, would have the beads, oh my god, the interior of, for example, your leather wallets would be scratched on this one. So later I'm going to show you a video of the inside of the Fendi Peekaboo, but this one I love. As you can see, the color is like latte, then of course the inside is the cerulean or turquoise blue colorway. Then another beaded Fendi Peekaboo. This is like the partner of the Fendi baguette that we have seen a while ago, because zooming in, we are going to see that the exterior beads is made of beaded flowers, and I'm guessing this one would the beaded flower cannot be removed. And of course the interior, we have like a polka dot detail. Next guys, we have the video of the Fendi Peekaboo. So I was right, so only one side of the interior would have the paillettes, would have the beads, but I'm guessing guys, if I'm going to purchase this, I feel the one with the beads I will not be using to put inside my stuff, because it would damage everything in there. It would damage the paillettes, the design of the bag, and of course it would also scratch, for example, I have delicate pieces. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so we have more Fendi bags. So the return of the Fendi spy bag, this one size is in micro. So I have seen couple of spy bags from the collection. So this is the micro or nano size, so made of calfskin leather with beaded flower design, as you could see. So guys, to be honest, for me, I would love this spy bag if, for example, I could use this as a bag charm. So like for example, one side could be fully detached, or I could attach it to any bag. Otherwise guys, I would not be happy in purchasing it if, for example, I won't be able to use it in many occasion. So guys, we have a new bag from Fendi. We don't have the official name yet, but it looks like a bucket bag with giant or extra large beads for the strap or the handle of the bag. Although for this one guys, I believe this is not a classic Fendi bag. I'm just hoping that they are going to bring back the Fendi first, because I'm not really sure why they have decided to remove that from their classic pieces, because I feel the Fendi first is much more beautiful compared to this one. Maybe if they're going to change the beads I'm not really feeling. Maybe because with the beads, I'm feeling that this is like a seasonal piece, maybe really just perfect for spring summer, although the leather is not perfect for the spring summer occasion. So what do you feel about that one guys? Kindly let me know. Next on the collection, so we have the another new design bag from Fendi. We don't have the official name yet, and this one is made of calfskin leather, and the calfskin leather is interweaved together. And of course, you know who is the famous Italian designer for this would be Bottega Veneta. So I'm not really sure why they have designed a little bit similar with the intricato leather weave of Bottega Veneta. So another design here kind of looks similar with Bottega, and to be honest, Loewe has also come up with this design, because I have seen it in our Loewe store, and I clearly remember I mentioned that that bag also from Loewe resembles a Bottega Veneta bag. So I'm not really sure what they have done this one. This one will be made of course with calfskin leather, so different colors of the leather interweaving design. Next on the collection, let us talk about Moschino. So are you a fan of Moschino guys? Because definitely I have been a fan for years, and this is like the newer design that Moschino is currently pushing. So this is more of their classic piece, like a top handle belt bag. So as you can see, it comes in different different colors, different sizes, different materials. What I really love about this one is the one that I have shown you earlier, like the East-West version. That one really looks so chic. Then of course, if you are a fan of the quirky bags of Moschino, again, I am one of them. So we have many different quirky bags. So we have the apple bag. This is my personal favorite, the newspaper bag. I'm not really sure how you're going to open this one, the pot. I have that one. Then of course we have the classic Moschino shopper tote bag, which I believe you could still purchase from outlet stores. If I could see that and find it, then definitely I'm going to purchase. Then let us discuss, of course, the Prada bag. So for the Prada bag, they have just few pieces. So this one, more, it looks kind of like a nylon material design, so it walked the runway. Although the ready-to-wear pieces of Prada are really so beautiful. For me, guys, I would be choosing the Prada ready-to-wear pieces compared to the Miu Miu ones. I feel the Prada ready-to-wear pieces are more of an elevated kind of style. Then this is another example of the new design by Prada. So we have here a Prada new shoulder bag. So as you can see, the strap is longer, so you could carry this one as a shoulder carry, which is actually the trend right now with the bags that are being released. Then of course we have here the minimal Prada logo. So I love the Prada logo, very minimal, very understated, even the triangle bag. So these are also another new bags from Prada. We have the new pouch bag. So the material of this one is calfskin leather. So as you can see, so kind of also resembles the Loewe bag. So what do you think of this one? So I'm not really sure if it comes with drawstring or it would come with like a strap, so you could carry this one as a strap. But to be honest, guys, I would not be recommending this bag. I would recommend getting a classic Prada bag rather than something that you would not wear as much as you can and not get the cost per wear, because I purchased a runway piece from Prada and I've only wore it like a couple of times, then I pretty much sold that bag. So this is a close-up view of the pouch bag in black, and of course we have the Prada triangle logo. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So among the new bags from Fendi, Prada, and Moschino, which one is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!